Welcome to our tutorial on how to post pictures on YouTube. First, let's understand why you might want to post pictures on YouTube. It could be for a slideshow, a tutorial, or to enhance your video content. Step 1. Prepare your images. Make sure they are high quality and relevant to your video content. Step 2. Create a new video project in your video editing software. Import your images and arrange them in the desired order. Step 3. Add transitions between your pictures if you want to make the slideshow more dynamic. Step 4. Add background music or a voiceover to narrate your pictures. This will make your content more engaging. Step 5. Once you're happy with your slideshow, export the video file from your editing software. Step 6. Go to YouTube, click on the upload button and select your video file. Fill in the video details and publish it to your channel. And there you have it, a simple guide to posting pictures on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.